Hi, I'm Carolyn, and today we're making chicken chili, but we're going to kick it up a notch in the flavor zone by adding some Anaheim peppers and some poblano peppers. So check it out. In my opinion, the peppers really make this recipe. I rub my chicken with the chipotle powder. And I'm trying out Costco's chicken stock, 1 cup of the organic frozen corn. We have our chicken cooking up, added some garlic there. And then you add that to the pot, and we're just going to keep on layering our ingredients into the crock pot. We've got our red pepper and our onions. We're going to saute those up. Now I'm putting olive oil on the peppers, and in the oven they go under the broiler. Then we're going to add the onions and the red pepper to the mix, 1 can of black beans, and take out our peppers. Flip those halfway through, and you can see that I did that, and then we're going to take out the seeds, and I'm peeling off the skin. One tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Let me know if you try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more yummy recipes.